Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about the functions in Excel. So we have these common functions you will see a lot. Okay, first is sum function. To add the values, we use the sum function. To take the mean or average value, we use the average function. To extract the minimum or maximum value from the range of the cell, we use min and max function. Count counts the numbers for numerical entities. Okay, only the number count, not the text. Count non-empty set. It count both numbers and text as well. Count blank, count the empty cells. Okay, let's do it practically. So here I have a data set of a project and the sales amount and the quantity. I wanted this sum of the sales, okay, equal to sum. Okay, so how we can write the formula? First click equals sum, hit tab to select the first cell and give the range, close the bracket, hit enter. So this is how we can use the functions in Excel. So these all are the built-in function. So sum function, what it does, it's sum of these range. Okay, next is equal to average. We need to find the average sale. Again the same range, close the bracket and hit enter. So this is the average value. Now I wanted to see the maximum sale value. Max function, same range, close the range, and this is a maximum range. If I wanted to find the minimum, then again minimum, this range, close it, hit enter. So 20 is a minimum sale value and 70 is a maximum sale value. Now I wanted to count the numbers. Okay, equal to count. So count the number of the cell in the range that contains the numbers. Okay, so for example, if I count this row, it returns me the numbers, or it counts the cell which are non-empty. 14 cells contain the text, 14 cells contain the data, and that to be numerical. If I use count function to this range, like to this product name, close equal, it gives me 0. Why? Because count only count the numerical values and remove all the empty cell, only non-empty cell and integer values or numerical value it counts. Next we have count a function. It counts the cell in a range that are not empty. Like for example, if I select this range, okay, hit enter, 14. But same thing, if I do with the project range column, hit enter, it gives me 16 because all the data is filled. Here two data is not filled, but here I have data. So that is why 16 row, and here I have 14. It counts both numbers as well as the text. Count blank counts the blank value. For example, here if I give this range, close it, hit enter, 2 means 2 cells has the blank value. For the same cell, if I give the 4 to the 19, 4, that means in this particular range 4 cells are empty. Okay, for example, count blank and I give this product, close bracket, hit enter, it gives me 0 because all the cells are contains some value. Okay, if I remove some values, you see 4 cells does not contain any value. So this is about sum, min, max, average, count, count a and count blank functions.